Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious sweet potato punch, okay? So first, I already have my sweet potato cooked, so I'm just going to pour it in the blender right here. Then I'm going to use the same water that I cook potatoes to blend. I'm going to pour my evaporated milk. Some nutriments, sweet condensed milk, some cinnamon, a little nutmeg, vanilla, and of course a little white rum. Okay. So this is my delicious sweet potato punch, okay? So I'm gonna have a taste. Wow, this is delicious. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, love, and enjoy.